Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and channel YouTube Bisalazi. And today I'm going to show you how the tutorial how to make this beautiful sunflower. This is my homework, Tematik Homework. I'm 3rd grade and elementary school student. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, now before we make the sunflower, we need the tools and the materials. Tools, the tool is scissor, paper glue, pencil, eraser, and also the rulers. And the material is brown origami paper, yellow origami paper, one white paper, one green paper, and one green buffalo paper. And also we're missing one tool. It's a stick. I don't have the thick stick, so I'm gonna wear this. So let's get started. Because I used the origami paper is the small one, so one paper I only have 2 circulars. If you guys buy the big one, you guys can have 4 circulars. So yeah, let's get started. So if you guys want to make it, here you guys have to fold it like this. The sunflower, we need 10 circles of the yellow paper origami, 2 circles for the green one, and 1 circle from the chocolate paper. So if you guys already did this, after this you guys need this ruler. Which size? This one or this one? Oh, okay. We need this one here. And use the pencil to carve it. Okay, if already look like this, see, like that, we're gonna cut it later. So let's make the rest of it.
Okay.
Okay, this one. Before I already make this one, okay, guys. Now let's just start to cutting it. We have to be careful.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we already have 2 of these, and I'm gonna cut this one. Okay, here's how you cut it perfectly. Cut.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we already have 2 of these, and I'm gonna cut this one. Okay, here's how you cut it perfectly. This I already cut all of them. This one, the yellow one, the buffalo paper green one, this, the green one also, and the brown one.
So what's the next step?
So the next step is you have to make this into like this. Okay, we need to wear a finger technique.
Okay.
Okay. So you guys have to like this. Wait,
Are you sure like that?
I don't know. It's like this.
Okay, and
And we need some glue.
glue.
My sister is borrowing it. Can you open it, please? Thank you.
Be careful ya.
I guess that it's enough.
Okay.
Yay!
Yeah.
Okay guys, we already finished all of this. The green one is for the leaf and the yellow one is for the flower. And now let's go to the next step that we have to arrange all of this into the buffalo paper. Why we use buffalo paper? Kenapa sih aku ngomong paper aja?
Paper.
Why we use buffalo paper? Because buffalo paper is more thicker. Not like this. This is not too thick, you know. See?
Jadi not let toy.
Okay, this one is not. So, yeah. We're gonna have to stick it like this.
Susun dulu, susun.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Ini seperti itu gitu.
Okay, and it's gonna be like this when we already stick it. So, it's our. Okay, so this is how I make it. I'm gonna spread the paper glue all of the edge. And while we waiting, we're gonna make the
Batang.
I don't know, the part that we use a stick and paper. Bibidi, babidi, boo. Babibi, babubu, boo. Okay, and the flour is kinda already dry. My hand is full of glue. Okay. Look at it. Our masterpiece. Okay. And we put the stick onto here. So you have to glue it on the inside first. Oh. Okay.
Bunda làm. Bunda. Con đi lên làm. Lên làm
The glue is not coming out. Okay. Okay, we have to press it like this.
Okay.
Okay, and this part want to get up. And after this step, we have to we're gonna looking like this. See?
Ta-da. Yeah. Nah.
Yay!
What happened?
It's already sticking. Okay, now this part. It's like this, and then
Aku
This.
saya juga
okay. Let me.
hanya bisa.
You just have to glue the bottom.
Mama.
And I already can pick it up. See, it's so beautiful.
Sunflower.
This is so cute. I just like want to buy some. And that's all for this video today. How to make this beautiful sunflower, which is mine is ugly, but you guys can make it better. And that's it for our video today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.